Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase and install an eSIM for Paraguay. This is a very simple thing to do, and we can purchase this eSIM using the eSIM.app platform, where you can go down into the description of this video below and open up the first link you're going to see, and this is going to take us to the eSIM app right here, from where we can get started. Make sure to stay till the end of the video, as we are also going to be explaining how to install it by step. But as you can see, once you open up the link from the description, it's going to take us to this main page right here, from where we can get started comparing unlimited plans and fixed plans. As you can see, usually there's in similar price, but you're going to be getting unlimited data with unlimited plans, so it's always best to purchase an unlimited plan. So once you select your plan that you want to use, click checkout. It's going to take you to the checkout page where you can choose your payment method, let's say Apple Pay, and make the purchase. So once you have made the purchase successfully, we can get started with installing it. Here, it doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or Android, the process is pretty similar. So if you're an iPhone, what you're going to do is follow the steps right here. You're going to open up the iOS eSIM application and go to the eSIM page, where we can click the install button. Once you click install button, tap add cellular plan, and then you can follow the on-screen instructions. You're going to select the eSIM plan for mobile data, and for the default line, you're going to select the primary option, after which we can turn on data roaming and turn on this line option, as well as this is going to activate the eSIM. As well, you can install it using a QR code. So as you can see, you can go into your device settings, tap on the cellular option and click to add a data plan, after which it's going to enable you to use a QR code to scan from the eSIM application itself, and then you can go ahead and install it this way, exactly the same. If you're on Android, it's pretty similar. So what you're going to do is access the application, click the help option, and access the eSIM installation. Once you access eSIM installation, it's going to enable you to click on the install button, and once you click the install button, the installation is going to be almost done. You're going to go to your settings and follow the rest of the steps right here by clicking to enable data roaming and turning on your eSIM. You can also install it using a QR code, just like on iPhone. Go to your settings, access connections, and then SIM card manager, after which you can tap to add a mobile plan, and this is going to enable you to use the QR code option as well, where you can scan the QR code from the application to enable data roaming, and this is how it's done. So if you want to go ahead and purchase your eSIM, go into the description of this video right now, access the first link, and you're going to go ahead and be able to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.